What's up, guys? It's your girl Kinks back with another hair maintenance tip routine. This time it's for the washing process. Starting with the sections that we detangled in the last video, I'm going to go ahead and rinse some water over each section, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab the shampoo of my choosing to cleanse my hair. I like to start at the root by using the pads of my fingertips to rub gently onto my scalp, and then I run my fingers down the shaft of my hair not to create any additional tangles. And just repeat the step until your scalp screams with ease because it's so clean. Once you feel that your hair is clean, go ahead and rinse out that section from the shampoo and prepare to put in your deep conditioner. My shower faces are unmatched, okay, y'all? Don't come for me, okay, because I'm just trying to get the job done and show y'all what I do. Don't judge my faces.
I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby? What's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get on.
She's clean. Now that she's clean, we're going to go ahead and put the deep conditioner on. I'm so sorry I didn't show y'all how much I used, but a decent amount for your hair. Make sure that each strand is coated. I like to go ahead and use the detangling brush to go ahead and evenly distribute the deep conditioner before I twist this section up for the conditioning cap. Once you've completed these steps throughout the entirety of your hair, you want to go ahead and remove the clips and put on any conditioning cap of your choosing. I also like to use the heated conditioning cap in addition to just a regular shower cap, and you can leave that on for 15 to 30 minutes to do its thing, okay? If you like this video, you know what to do. And until next time, bye.